As influencers and celebrities fret over the chaos on Twitter, a new platform called Bluesky is being hyped as a promising alternative. Bluesky was created by Twitter's co-founder Jack Dorsey and is now the talk of Silicon Valley, leaving those in the know scrambling to secure an invite to join the app that is still at the testing phase. The momentum gained for Bluesky last week as left-wing Congresswoman Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez and fashion model Chrissy Teigen, who have millions of followers on Twitter, joined the platform. As a result, the app experienced its biggest single-day jump in new users ever. First announced in 2019, Bluesky remains invite-only and currently has about 40,000 users since launching in February. According to data from Data.ai, the Bluesky app has been downloaded 375,000 times and is currently ahead of some popular platforms such as LinkedIn, Bing, or Zoom in the Apple App Store ranking. Bluesky might be the Twitter like we've been waiting for, said the influential tech news site The Verge last week. A key difference from Twitter is that Bluesky will run on a decentralized network, which gives users more control over how their data is stored and how content is moderated. But reports indicate that it's not quite there yet. The decentralized platform remains without several key features, such as direct messaging or video uploads, and it's still not clear what posts on the site are called. For her part, Bluesky CEO Jay Graber has made it clear that she would prefer if users didn't go with the term skeets. Like Twitter, posts on Bluesky have a character limit of 300 characters per post, but unlike Twitter, users currently don't have the ability to share GIFs, use hashtags, or bookmarks, and searchability is limited. Users see posts from their following feed, but there's also a What's Hot feed, which curates popular posts from across the platform, whether users are following the original poster or not. This is in the spirit of Mastodon, which has been praised as a potential threat to Twitter, but whose complicated signing up procedures has so far stopped it from gaining traction. Bluesky users can join specific servers, which follow their own rules and interests. Instead of one site running the network, you can have many sites. It means you get a choice of provider, and individuals and businesses can self-host if they want. The hype over Bluesky came as Jack Dorsey used the platform to say that he no longer thought that Elon Musk was the right leader for Twitter, the site he co-created in 2006. In a series of posts on Bluesky, Dorsey said Musk's Twitter ownership all went south. Dorsey said Musk should have walked away from the $44 billion deal and that the board of Twitter was mistaken to hold the Tesla tycoon to the acquisition when Musk tried to undo it. Musk's tumultuous takeover went through in October with Dorsey's backing, and many users have shopped around for a new forum to communicate, with nothing yet emerging as an alternative. Let me know in the comments if you've used Bluesky or if you plan on giving it a shot when it becomes more widely available.